Friends, I'm here to do a really quick intro to today's lesson. It's on how to find volume with the base and the side height of a rectangular prism. It's not going to be a full-length video like before, just some quick basic information about what to do in today's problem-solving task, and then you take it from there. Really encourage you to go to your Zoom classes with your teachers and get there, get the help you need if you're stuck on the assignment. If you're in DePaul, you definitely should be there. We get the assignment, work on it together during class. Great. Let's get the problem solving task open so you can use some help. You can follow along and do what I'm doing. All right, this is our problem solving task for the lesson. You can see right here we have a picture of a rectangular prism below. It's not actually an empty square with three pieces over here. We're imagining that this whole shape is a rectangular prism. What we want to know is what is the entire volume of the shape. We're filling it with imaginary cubes to find out how much volume it has. And what we found last week was we could just count the number of layers and see how many layers there were and to find the volume. And that's the same thing we can do today, but we're learning something a little different with it as we go. So we know this bottom layer is 5 across on one side and 5 across on the other side. So its length and width are both 5. So that layer, that first layer, we call the base. That first layer is the base, the bottom of the shape. That shape is length base area, so it's an area on the base is length times width. In this case, that's going to be 5 times 5 equals 25. That base area is 25, but it's not the whole volume of the shape. There's 25 in that first layer. The next question is, how tall is the shape? How many layers do we need? And in this case, we can see this is our first layer, and there's 1, 2, 3 more layers on top of it. Doesn't mean we're going to times it by 3. There's 3 layers on top of the first layer, so total there are 4 layers. The height is 4. So total volume equals 25 times 4, which is 100. That's the total volume. For any rectangular prism, all you need to know is what the base of that rectangular prism is. So if I have this iced tea box right here, and it's sitting down on the ground, the base is the area of the bottom. So length times width. That's the base of the shape. Find the area of the base and times it times the height. That equals the volume of the shape. How many layers of that unit are there in the shape? So imagine find the base area, or if you already have the base area, fantastic. The base area times the height gives you the volume. Check the formula, it's written right here. Use that in the guided practice to help you through the problems. Again, just find how big the base is and how tall is the shape. Multiply them. Base times height equals volume. That's today's lesson. Good luck, folks.